Really? Tell me more. She's telling me a really good story. All about her shoes, right, Mackenzie?
Tell me about them shoes. What about them? Yeah?
Tell Daddy all about your shoes.
Oh, hair on your hand. Thanks. Okay, now I got the hair. Tell me about the shoes. What about those shoes? Yeah? And then what happened? Well, then what'd you do with the shoes after that? No way? Yeah? And then what happened? And then what happened? Ah! Everyone was happy? Everybody was happy? Everybody? Everybody?
What happened? Mackenzie, you were telling me such a good story about your shoes before.
Why not? Because what happened? Really? Both of them puppy? Yeah? No?